Hello, and welcome to Nature Coast TV, the first and only web-based television network dedicated to the communities of Florida's Nature Coast, bringing you positive local news, video coverage of local events and entertainment, exciting channels focusing on business, health, dining, education, inspiration, and so much more. Our mission is simple: to provide you, the viewer, with fun and relevant media while helping our community. We thank you for viewing this feature presentation and look forward to seeing you online at naturecoast.tv.